I'm going to take a look at Master Box Model Skull Clan The Death Angels. This kit is 1/35th scale, retails for around $15 and is available online or at your local hobby shop. The box art here is gorgeous, and the box art illustration is done by a V. Peterlin. And the sculptor of the kit is A. Gargarin. And there's the box art, which is fantastic fantasy scene. The back of the box, which shows you the sprue placement and basically instruction sheet and the paint guide, and it's calling out Vallejo model paint. As I said, you get one sprue, and you get 4 figures, all female. Detail on it is pretty sharp. Even the facial expressions, you can make them out. And the detail on the body, I think, is phenomenal. Their weapons. There's swords. And it just looks pretty straightforward of assembling and putting them together. There is a little bit of seam work on the legs, which is pretty standard on 35th scale figures. And where was it when I saw it? Basically right through there. Excuse me, that was on this leg. If you can see it right through here. But really, other than that, it's a fantastic kit. Even for, I think Masterbox has a real winner here. Really great looking kit. You can get this online or at your local hobby store. Really just a fantastic kit.